I'm Kelly Goodsel, President of Viking Plastics. On behalf of the entire Viking Plastics team, we are super excited to announce our partnership in Mexico with ISGO Manufacturing. With 10 facilities in the United States, Mexico, China, and Brazil, Viking Plastics now can support our customers that are launching global programs, that want to avoid tariffs, and want to lower their transportation and inventory carrying costs. With over 200 presses ranging from 50 to 1,500 tons, our 500 plus associates are looking forward to working on your next project. Give us a call at Viking Plastics.